Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of. Use face recognition or your current login method. And click on Delete button right next to the Edit one. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!